Hi parents, this is a tutorial for how to use RAZ Kids for your students. This is going to help you to be able to record their reading during Ramadan, which will give the teachers a chance to listen to their fluency, also to make sure that they're actually reading at home with you, and it'll be one of their homework assignments for during Ramadan and starting from this week. So if you will go to razkids.com, or you can look at the RAZ Kids app on iPad, Samsung, any of those will have it. But essentially, they're all the same thing. So if you go to raz-kids.com, you'll see where it says Kids Logon. So you're going to click on the login, and you'll come to a page that says your teacher's username. So for this purpose, we're going to use Ms. Tiffany, KG2B, T. Velasquez, 6, and click Go. And it'll take you into a portal where you can see all of the students' login. So you should have gotten a letter this week that details exactly what their login per is. Our example student that we've set up is this triangle, the blue triangle. And they'll come in, and then you'll be asked for their password. So this should be on the same thing that you have their letter that you received, their username and their teacher username. So for this student, it is rabbit duck. And we're going to click Go. This is what the student portal looks like. The two main areas that we're going to be using for kindergarten are the reading room and my assignment. Now, if you click on a reading room, you will be able to see all kinds of different areas. You'll be able to see popular books that have the level that your student is assigned to. Most of our students start at AA. The reading room has different things on different topics. You can look up sports or animals, whatever they're interested in. Leveled books, which again will show you exactly what level that they start out on. Early reading will have different alphabet books, decodable books that you can look at, high frequency word books that they should be learning during KG2. Sound books, vocabulary books, any of those different areas. Nonfiction, about different nonfiction areas. Storybooks, and then also songs and poems. Okay. This is particularly good for our phonological awareness program in KG1. Has nursery rhymes, poetry books, song books, etc. So back to the reading room. That is what we looked at right there, the reading room. And what you're looking at now is my assignment. So for KG2 during Ramadan and starting from this week, you'll have two components. So you have each one of the stories is one that's specifically chosen for the level that your student is on. So for this particular student, we've set them up as an A. Within your reading area, you'll have the book and then two options. You can either do listening with them, or you'll have the icon for the book. So if you click on the icon for the headphones, it'll be a program that'll play the book for your students. Now this is particularly useful if you don't have a lot of English books laying around your house to read with them. They can listen to it for themselves with a pair of headphones on an iPad, which is great for right before books. So all you need to do is push play, and it'll highlight the words as they read them so that they can follow along. Also, under this one, you'll also have the book icon. So during the book icon, there's different options that you have that are up at the top. So one of them looks like the recorder. If you click on this, it's going to record whatever your child is reading on the device that they're using so that it'll send directly to the teacher at the end of their program. Okay, so when you read it at the very end, it'll pop up. When they're reading it, they're recording themselves. Obviously, I can't use that at the moment. So I count 3 sheep. I count 4 sheep. I count 6 sheep. I count 7 sheep. I count many sheeps. Okay. At the end of this, it'll say done. Now, once you hit done, it's going to send it directly to your child's teacher so that they can check to make sure that they're doing their homework. Okay. Excellent. If you have any questions about how to use kidsato z.com, or how to use the app or how to set up the app, please do not hesitate to message me on kindergarten, in the kindergarten Weebly, or you're welcome to come into the school and I'll set it up with you. For that, we hope that you have a wonderful next couple of weeks reading with your children at home. And if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to call. Thank you.